Rizzy Home is the direct result of a collaboration of two companies, Rizzy Rugs and Home Texco. It is the combined effort of Ansari family. Rizzy Home offers an extensive collection of rugs, luxury and affordable beddings, and its ensembles like designer accent pillows, shams, throws, poofs, and many more under one company. The Ansari brothers have decades of experience in the home textile business. They offer an unrivaled ability to deliver superior merchandise and become industry leaders in design, manufacturing, and services. They established U.S. operations in 2007 with 170,000 square feet of warehouse space in Calhoun, Georgia. Rizzy Home has its own separate manufacturing facilities for each kind of products they offer, like handmade rugs, machine-made rugs to home textile, and furnishing made up in India's northern zone. Handmade Rug Factory at Bhadoi. This is the factory showroom where we display all our new developments to discuss with customers during their factory visit. This is the factory area of yarn making and yarn dyeing. Here, raw wool is being washed. Then after, wool fibers are sorted for making yarn. Then it goes through the blending process. Then the blended wool fiber passes through the card machine. Ring frame machine. This is the process of making hand-spun yarn. This is the process of making semi-worsted yarn. The fine New Zealand raw wool passes through the card machine, and then it goes through various rotation machines. And then it will go through the ring frame machine. Here the yarn is being washed and then straightened. This is pot dyeing. The viscose yarn is dyed by this process. This is the machine dyeing process. Here, under intense sunlight, the yarn is dried. Here, color of yarn is matched under customer's light requirement. This is yarn warehouse where the dyed yarn is being sorted, then moved to production department. This is Design and Development section. Moving to the weaving area. This is the weaving center. Here hand-tufted rugs are being weaved. This is the weaving of Tibetan hand-knotted rugs. Here, steel rods are used to make loop piles, which are then cut using blade. This is the Persian style of weaving hand-knotted rugs. Notice here how each pile yarn is knotted to the warp yarn and then cut. Weaving of hand-loom rugs. Here, pile yarn and warp yarn is first wrapped on beams and then mounted on looms to do the weaving. Flat weave rugs. This technique is quite different from other weaving techniques. Here, wool yarn is used as weft and no pile yarn is used separately, giving it a flat weave look. This is hand-guided, machine tufting shaggy rugs. Heavy quality checking like pile height and knots per inch. After the rugs are woven and checked for its weaving quality, they are washed. Depending on the quality of rugs and customer requirement, rugs are washed once, twice, or multiple times with different washing techniques and using different materials. Rug finishing section. Latexing, third backing and hand serging processes are done here. Pile shearing. Hand carving to shape the motifs beautifully. Rug packing section. The complete rug is packed here and then dispatched. Rizzy Home contributes in social work as well. A girls' college, that is, Syra Girls Into College, has been sponsored by Rizzy Home. It has more than 850 students. Those students who cannot afford fees are given free education. Machine-made rug factory, Kashipur. The machine-made carpet factory is located at Kashipur, which is about 4 hours drive from New Delhi. Design Cell, where designers create beautiful designs with their innovative ideas. Here on the compounding machine, master batches are prepared from the mono colors. BCF extrusion machine. Here the master batch and polypropylene resin are used to make good quality bulk continuous filament yarn. The BCF yarn then goes through more processes such as twisting, cabling, freeze, and heat settings to enhance its properties. Here in the laboratory, the yarn is tested for its properties such as color, detex, strength, TPM, etc. before going to the weaving department. Warping machine. On this machine, warp beams are prepared for the weaving looms. Here, raw materials for the weaving looms are stored. This is creel loading. The whole creel consists of 16,000 bobbins in a 500 reed machine of 4 meters width. In the machine, 2 carpets are woven face to face using the latest electronic jacquard system to make design in the carpets. Observe how the carpets are mirror images of each other. The looms are set in wide space, which is equipped with world-class weaving machines and supporting equipment. After the carpet is woven, the carpet trolley is taken to the finishing section. On this line, cleaning, back coating, and shearing is done. Length over edging. Here, the longer edges of the carpet are serged. Short side serging. Corner fixing. This is fringing machine to attach fringes to the carpet. Quality inspection. Inspection is being done to meet all quality requirements and also to ensure that the colors and design of the carpet is as per requirement. Carpet rolling. Manual packing of carpet. Shrink packing. Final packed carpets are then sent to the warehouse. Finally, the containers are stuffed and then dispatched to our valuable customers. PET Fiber Manufacturing Unit. Here, polyester fiber is being made from used PET bottles. Let's check out how it's done. First, the bottle bales are opened and sorted. After this, bottles are cut into flakes, which are washed and then collected in the bags. After drying and mixing, PET flakes and pigments are sent to the extruder. This is the spinning unit. The filament yarn produced from spinning unit is sent to draw a line to enhance its properties. Here comes the crimper. The fiber is given crimp here. In the cutter, the filament yarn is cut into fiber of desired length. The fiber is then sent to baler to make fiber bales. Rizzy non-woven unit. Here we have world-class facilities to manufacture non-woven products such as shoe liner, automotive products, geotextiles, and needle-punched carpets. First, the fiber bales are opened. Then the fibers of different colors are opened and mixed to get the desired color of the felt. Here, the fiber is carded in one of the finest European carding machine. The GSM of felt is controlled till here. Needle punching of fiber layers is done in the needle loom to bind the fibers together. Here, velar effect is given to the felt using Dillo loom. The structural looms makes design on the felt. Here, quality testing of non-woven products is done. The lab is equipped with all sorts of testing instruments required for product testing. Warehouse. The finished products are stored in the warehouse from where dispatch is done. Home Textile Factory, Noida. Rizzy Home is the one-stop place to fulfill all home furnishing product requirements of their customers. To accomplish customers' order and product development, the factory has a strong team of professional merchandisers and designers who build a communication bridge and do day-to-day communication at every step between the buyer and the factory to ensure all the requirements are as per standard quality and norms, including timely deliveries. Product Development Section. Our clients and design team discuss their ideas to create new designs. In-house sampling dyeing to speed up the development process and fulfill the immediate requirement of sample yards for product development only. Sample Development Section. A separate setup with all facilities for design team to work on their creative ideas and develop new techniques, patterns or texture. This unit has a team of experts for handcraft like hand quilting, hand ganta, hand beadwork, using wooden frame for different sequins and hand beading. Similarly, hand-guided machines are used for different embroidery textures, freehand layout of cording, applique work, rouching, 3D textures, etc. Raw fabric store, where different qualities of fabric are being stored, that is from different weavers. All raw fabric is being inspected for quality parameters as required. Dyed fabric store. It is a separate place from other areas, and here again, dyed fabric quality is being checked to ensure only the correct quality is sent into production. This process has to pass all required testing parameters in the laboratory as per industry norms. It is specifically set up in-house to ensure the best quality of fabric is used in our products. The cutting section here. The expert masters cut the fabric in multiple layers using patents and special fabric cutting machines for mass production. Embroidery section. These are advanced technology computer embroidery machines which can do multiple techniques like sequins, cording, chain stitch embroidery, gathering, smoking, applique, etc. as few running techniques can be seen here. Quality checkpoint. All bulk production received from any fabrication work like embroidery, handwork, quilting is being checked here for quality of fabrication as per the required standard. Stitching section. All products will be finally stitched here under the guidance of experts and quality checkers as per required size or shape, etc. Finishing section. A different expert team works for thread trimming, ironing, stain removal, and final checking in all aspects, that is, from the base fabric to the final stitching, size, colors, quality, etc. Final product checking. After finishing here, the product is being checked before final packing to ensure all quality standards. Metal detector machine. After finally checking, each product has to pass through the metal detector machine to check if any broken needle is left inside. We strongly follow the needle policy to ensure that each product is safe and has no metal particle left inside due to any unexpected reason, as it is very important to take care of the end user's safety. Packing section. Here all items are being finally packed following the customer's requirement. Appropriate care and high standards of quality parameters are being maintained to ensure safety of products in transit. Shipping section. Shipping team has all prior information for each shipment for successful and smooth dispatch and coordination with customs. Packing section complete the formalities and hand over the goods to dispatch team for final dispatch of products.